Hey guys, welcome to Kids Easy. So guys, today we are very excited because we just got our new gaming headsets and we are tired of reading these features, so it will be right here or in the description box below.
So we are going to open it now.
So guys, we will unbox and show this to you right now.
So here
Okay guys, this is really well packed right here. And
we open it.
this is the one.
And this is how it looks here. So
And guys, this is known as K8 from ONIKUMA. This headset's name.
and this
K8.
looks very well packed. So now let's check it out.
So guys, this is how it looks. And this has a mic.
And this how we like.
This is really comfortable. And guys, this is compatible for PC, PS4, Xbox One, iPad, Apple devices, laptops and computers. Okay. So guys, it has an owl symbol right here. It's the symbol of their company. So yeah, we are very excited to test this out. Okay guys, if you see this, you can see some lights. So guys, this comes with an extension cable which is used for PCs, and one of this cable is for the headset and other for the mic, but we are using it in laptop, so we are not going to require this. So this is a 3.5 jack, and this can be used in Androids as well, in the mobile phones. And this is not an ordinary cable. This is made from cloth, so which is very good. And this are the controls here. This is the increasing of the volume and the decreasing, and this is to off and on the mic. And this is really comfy right here. This is really bulky and comfy. If you see this, yeah, it's very comfortable. So now we are going to test this up. But there is one more cable, and this is a USB cable. It's for the power. So now let's plug this in. If you can see, the lights are on right now, and we are going to try this by playing the game.
So now we will load.
It's loading right now. Okay, it's loading pretty fast.
But first I'll play this game.
Guys,
It
now
started.
it's currently starting.
So
Okay.
let's see how to play the game.
So let's see how the headphones work. Okay, we are logging in.
So
So
this
guys, the
sound
headphones
is
are
coming
pretty
very well.
loud.
So now it's
The headphones are very loud,
and this
we are
game
gonna
is
start
amazing.
playing in solo.
We are playing.
Okay, the match is gonna load right now. Shotguns, SMGs, and pistols are effective at close range.
So this game is gonna
I
load now.
think it's pretty fast. It's gonna load very fastly.
I know that.
Okay.
So let's see how it's gonna come.
Yep. They are on the battle bus. Wait. Where are we landing? At a farm. At Frenzy Farm. We
got
are gonna
a new-
land on the house, okay?
Okay.
Go
But I'll
front.
play.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Up. And stop. Press down. Down key, dude. There's someone in the same house. We have to get the guns. Where is it? There you are. Shoot.
We should run right. Okay,
We have a potion.
a big potion.
Click E.
E to grab.
Yes. Wanna break some stuff? Don't jump, don't jump. More guns. Come on. Okay. Break the doors.
No. Okay, someone is in here. Run.
Yes, there is. Of course, there is someone in here.
Okay, I'll get that.
Run! No! Oh shoot! Dude!
Right there.
We killed him!
Okay, let's go get the
He
gun.
died. E! Click E! Now! Let's get all this stuff. Okay, get the guns. E. Done. We have all this stuff. Is there anyone else nearby? Nope, I don't think, right?
Yeah. But someone is on the roof.
He's the guy we just killed, I think. We
Coming.
need to find a car. Oh,
Let's
come
get
on.
a helicopter.
There are no helicopters nearby.
Look at that, dude.
That's a helicopter right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. Let's get the truck. Can we
No.
get the truck?
Let's get a
Yes, we can drive it.
not the truck.
No, not the water, not the water.
Get
no,
out!
No, no, no,
Get
no.
out!
Low on fuel? Wait, we have to go to Frenzy Farm. The storm is coming. Let's run, okay? Do you think it's a good idea to take the truck?
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
bounce.
It's not that, dude.
No, which way is it?
Other way. Back.
Found it. Let's go. Woo-hoo.
This can take a
This
while.
guy's back.
Go back, but
There it is. It's on fire.
okay, go back.
Let's run. Leave the truck. Okay, come on. There is only 26 players left. Okay, I have to be the last one standing. Okay?
And then when the circle become more smaller, you can kill everyone.
Boom. Survival 2. 25 players remaining. Just should not die, right? Okay, I need some shield potion. Look at our blood. Dude, we need some serious...
Okay, now we are drinking.
Done. Grenades and bricks. Holy,
Wait.
holy. Wow.
Okay,
We're
good.
definitely gonna change it. 11 players are left, dude.
Oh,
That's good news.
yeah.
Look at the circle. It's much smaller now. We have to run. Okay. Oh shoot. No.
What?
We are 4th place, guys. So guys, I had a really good experience playing the games with this headset, and you can hear the sound loud and clear, and you cannot hear any other outdoor sounds. So you can have a very good experience playing with it. Thanks for watching, guys. You can share your feedback down in the comment section below.
If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.